Imagine transforming your body in just a month with a simple exercise. Welcome to the world of planking, a powerful yet accessible exercise that you can do every day for a month. This humble exercise holds the secret to unlocking strength, endurance, and core stability like you've never experienced before. Picture yourself stronger, leaner, more balanced, all thanks to the power of planking. Isn't it exciting to think that such a simple exercise could have such a profound impact on your fitness? Now think about someone who took this challenge head-on, planking every day for a whole month. Let's call this person Alex. On day 1, Alex was as ordinary as you and me. The plank position felt awkward, the arms quivered, the core screamed for mercy, but Alex held on for just 20 seconds. As days progressed, so did the trembling arms and the burning core, but along with it, Alex started to notice something. The planks were getting a tad bit easier. 20 seconds turned to 30, then 40, and before you know it, Alex was holding a plank for a whole minute. The initial struggle was slowly being replaced by a sense of accomplishment. By week 3, Alex was no longer the same person. The mirror started reflecting a more toned body, the posture was better, and the core was stronger. But the transformation wasn't just physical. Alex was more confident, more disciplined, and had a newfound respect for the power of consistency. By the end of the month, the plank was no longer a challenge, it was a part of the daily routine. The journey from struggling for 20 seconds to effortlessly holding a plank for 3 full minutes was complete. It was not just about a physical transformation but also a mental one. Witnessing such a transformation, you might be wondering, could I do this too? The answer is absolutely. You too can embark on this transformative journey. Planking every day for a month might seem daunting, but with some grit, determination, and a dash of perseverance, you're more than capable. To ensure safety and effectiveness, remember to keep your body straight and your stomach muscles engaged. Begin with a time frame that feels comfortable, perhaps 10 to 20 seconds. Gradually increase this time as your strength improves. Hydration is key. Drink ample water before and after your plank sessions. And yes, rest days are important too. Listen to your body and take a break when needed. Remember, consistency is crucial. The potential benefits are astounding, from a stronger core and improved posture to enhanced metabolic rate and better overall fitness. But the real magic happens when you stick to it, day in and day out. So are you ready to transform your body with the power of planking? Start today and see where the journey takes you.